This is the Circle Joy Black Warrior. So it's a 2-in-1 electric wine opener and preserver set. So this, really cool. Let's get into this. Okay, so I do have my bottle of wine. I like wine. Unfortunately, I have issues with corkscrews and they break on me. So that's why I got this. So let's actually take a look at what you're going to get in this set. So you are going to receive 2 of these, and these are basically like wine stoppers. That way they can preserve the wine that you have once the bottle's open. You're going to receive like an aerator that'll go in here, and when you pour, it'll go ahead and pour out into the cup aerated. You have this, which is going to cut the foil, and we're actually going to use that. And then you have your corkscrew preserver. All right, so here's how this works. And I'm going to come over here so that you can see how it's going to work. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put this. I'm going to put the top of it right here in this. And then I'm just going to give her a little squeeze. And then I'm just going to go ahead and turn my bottle of wine. Done. So that exposed the cork for us. We're going to put that back. And now check this out. I mean, is this not sleek? I like this. It's sexy. All right. So you have 2 different places that you can charge this at. The base itself will charge. You do receive a USB to a USB-C 3 that'll go in there. So you can charge it right here, or you can charge it from the base. Either one. Both will be fine. So down here, if you press this, it's going to move it. It's going to go in and start go down into the cork. And then if you hit this, it's going to go the other way. So because of the nature of this, you're not going to really be able to see it. But I'm going to show you how easy it is to use, though. All right. I can feel it. I don't know if you can see it in there. Can you see that? My cork is all the way in there. See? All right, and then to take it out, there she is, right there. And then I'll put her back, and then this just goes, boop, just like that. And now it's nice and closed and preserved. So I like this set. I think that this is it's a good way to go and have something that's always going to reliably open up your bottles of wine. I like the fact that the footprint of the base itself is it's not really that big. So it's not going to take up that much room on your counter, because some of them do. This will not. And down here, I don't know if you can see in the back, these are my salt and pepper shakers, also from Circle Joy. So that's why I obviously had to get another Circle Joy, because I've had that now for a few years and it's reliable. So if you're looking for some kind of a set to go and get as a gift, or if you're looking for your own electric wine opener, then I highly recommend picking up this set.